The first stage of project management involves planning, brainstorming, and defining the purpose of the project. An effective way to accomplish this is to create a project charter, which describes a project and lists its goals, potential problems, key people, and other important details. The steps to create a project charter are covered in the Begin Your Project Charter activity. Once a project is past the planning stage, your focus shifts from a big picture overview of purpose, resources, and people to managing and carrying out day-to-day tasks and priorities. In this activity, you will create a project tracker in Google Sheets to organize tasks and priorities. All projects have multiple deadlines, jobs, and people to keep track of. Whether they are short-term, lasting only a few weeks, or larger in scale and long-term, lasting months or years. Regardless of the size and purpose of your project, a project tracker will help you stay organized so you can meet your goals and deadlines. Project trackers can be as simple as a piece of paper or a big chart on the wall that you can write on. But trackers like this are difficult to share, can get messy, or be cumbersome to carry around. A digital project tracker is easier to access and update. It is also more accurate. You can share a digital tracker with everyone involved in your project. This allows your project team to work together to stay on schedule and clarifies ownership and responsibilities. In the following videos, you will create your own project tracker in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet application, which means it organizes information into columns, rows, and individual cells. You will organize project information in the spreadsheet to show exactly what is happening with your project. This activity will also teach you how to share and collaborate in Google Sheets. The spreadsheets you create are stored securely on the internet in Google Drive. Only the people you allow access to can see and make changes to your spreadsheets. To start, open a new tab and go to google.com. Then open Google Drive. Google Drive stores the files you make as well as files that are shared with you. These files are not stored on your computer. They are stored online, but only you and the people you give permission to view your files can see them. You can access Google Drive from any computer or mobile device with an internet connection after signing in to your account. Open a new blank spreadsheet in Google Sheets. In the next video, you will begin creating your project tracker. You will track tasks, deadlines, and other information for the real or imagined project you are managing from your own life or work. Now, it's your turn. Create a new blank spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Move on to the next video to begin setting up your spreadsheet.